All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're gonna be looking at the Tudia merge for the Pixel 6. Now, I've already reviewed this for the Pixel 6 Pro, and it's gonna be the same setup here. Now, the case does come in several colors. You've got rose gold, silver, and then the blue color. It's pretty nice. Same packaging that it always comes in. As soon as I got this, I took it out of the box and started using the black one instantly. Really like the black, like the blue and the silver too, obviously. But here's the case. So you have this cutout right here on this side right here for the camera bump. And then you have a microphone cutout on the top. And then you have the 3 ports on the bottom. And that's gonna be it for your ports. The volume rocker and stuff are kind of see-through, like hollow. They're cutouts around there, but you don't have to worry about that because that's just to help keep it clicky or whatever. But I've been using this and it's really nice. So let's put it on. Power button feels good. Volume rocker is going to feel good. It's nice and tactile. It's good. So looking at the front here, you have nice chunky lip around the top. But this isn't a bulky case, folks. This isn't a heavy, chunky case, even though it's a heavy duty case. So you lay it down flat, boom. You know what I mean? You got protection on the front if you don't want to wear a tempered glass or a screen protector. On the back here, if you lay it down, your camera bump is covered. You know what I mean? So ports, everything should line up perfectly for you if you have this case or any case for your phone. So again, this is a nice addition. I've seen one Pixel where somebody cracked it and it spiraled up from the corner up like that. And I think it was probably because they didn't have a case on it. If they did have a case, I would love to know what case they were using so I don't buy it because I've actually dropped my Pixel 6 Pro in this case already. Where's my Pixel 6 Pro at? Here's the Pixel 6 Pro version. It's super small in comparison. Like it's not much difference in size or whatever, but it is just a little bit. So here's the Pixel 6 Pro. And you can see there the difference for the size. Pixel 6 Pro is actually a little bit bigger, but same good case. It's just this has a curved screen, so it's built a little different on the edges. But other than that, it's good to go. So I think you'll be happy with this case right here. And hopefully the person who broke theirs, you know what I mean, they're able to get a nice replacement or whatever, or buy another one if they can find them in stock. But it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed the Pixel 6 Tudia merge. Links down below. Take care.